Yo, what's cracking, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are excellent today. On today's video, we are headed to pick up a part. Try to guess down below what it is. Actually, I'll probably leave it on the title. But on today's video, we're gonna go grab some side skirts for this bad boy or girl, bad girl. She's lacking side skirts here on the sides, so go ahead and pick some up. Show you guys when we get them. Just got off the freeway. We are 3 minutes out from this guy's house. So these are MUGEN style carbon fiber side skirts for the Da9 according to the post. And I'm gonna make sure I try at least one on, like make sure it's the same length and stuff like that before I pay the guy, you know. Alright guys, I just picked him up. I'm not sure if you can see him right here on the passenger seat or the passenger side, but I'm gonna pull over right here so I can show you guys what it's gonna look like. Alright guys, here's a little sneak peek. So these are the MUGEN Reps. So these tuck under the door. So I'm gonna have to do some work on the driver's side because the door sags a little still. It sags a little more than what it's supposed to, even though I adjusted it. Oh shit! Here they are. Sheesh. Damn, that looks freaking amazing, guys. Hood carbon, lip carbon, side skirts carbon, carbon boy. But we'll see. Go ahead, take a picture of it. All right guys, gonna head home now. It's gonna take some massaging to get these bad boys on there, but we will get them on there. Hope you guys like the side skirts. If you do, go ahead, drop a like, comment down below also. Let me know what you think. The fuck is this? I probably look funny over here. Everybody's shopping and whatnot, and I'm over here recording myself, but YOLO. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys. Wait a minute. Why did I end this video if I haven't thrown them on yet? Just kidding, guys. We're gonna throw them on in this video. I'm not gonna post it until they're up and on there. Damn, I can't wait to throw these bad boys on. It's gonna be a little bit of a bitch, I could tell, just because they're so hard and stiff.
That's what she said.
But once they're on there, they're gonna be on there forever. Just letting y'all know. Alright guys, so this is day 2 of the side skirts. As you can see, I'm already sweating because I just installed one, which is the driver's side, which was going to be the hardest one due to the fact that the door is sagging and was sagging like a bitch. And I adjusted the door, and I also tried a trick that I learned from the throttle channel, which is you could heat up the carbon and like fold it or mold it into the shape you want it, because my carbon was like the side skirt was like folded in like that. So on the gap of the door and the rocker, I had to have it like this. So I heated it up with the heat gun and straightened it out. So I'll show you guys what it looks like on. All right, let me show you guys how it opens. Opens perfectly. I only have it bolted on from the bottom, so that's all I'm gonna screw into the car for now, unless I have to screw more. But
when there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for.
god damn, that looks fucking good. Here's how I screwed it on. I used some of these bolts here. One right there, one right there, and one right there. So only 3 of them holding it. And then obviously the door holds it in place also. So damn. Let me go ahead and knock the other side out, and then so step 1. Let me see if the door jumps. Should be good. Should be big enough. But well, let me go ahead and test fit it first. All right, guys. So here's what I mean by heating it up. So here's the part that sits on the door jamb. So you can see it's kind of like bowed in. I need to heat it up and bow it out. So let me go ahead and knock that out.
What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna have to adjust this door, and I'm gonna do it by loosening up these bolts right there, and on the top. I'm gonna put you guys on the time lapse. Here's where we're at so far. I fucked up the fender a little bit right here. The paint not tripping though, but I can't get this fucking thing to. Well, I got the door to sit perfect, but the side skirt, look how big this gap is, and it still doesn't want to clear. It gets smaller over here, but I can't get that front to lift up a little bit, but I'm sanding down a little bit outside because it has a overspray from when I got repainted, so I'm trying to smoothen it out, but hopefully that gives me a little bit of clearance. Alright, got it kind of where I want it. Still squeaks when I open the door, but I'll take care of that right All right, guys, so pretty much the side skirt is on, but now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some rivets to this bad boy right here, because I don't want it to move around on the top. So let me go ahead and add my first one. There we go. Finished product. Fitment is on point, guys. Besides this is the problem with DAs. They have no room in between the door and the rocker, so I'm sure that's why they don't come with side skirts from factory. But as you can see, we made it work. Need to touch up some areas where it chipped paint, like right here, right here. It's all good though. This paint, it's old Mako paint job, so honestly, guys, this gap is massive, so I'm gonna have to fix that one of these days. I fucked up and I slid the door back too far, but this one's perfect, as you can see. I might just knock that out right now since I'm already done, but yep. Alright, guys, that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the side skirts and the install. All I have to do now is adjust this door, move it forward a little bit, but besides that, everything's done. Thank you guys for watching. Please drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, guys. Da9 for the win. We're gonna be posting nothing but Da9 stuff right now. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Today, and what we don't know what's going on. Yo, cause half the cast the flip, we all was cool, and half the chicks I hit, they tease me in school. I got a baby by a lady I don't even love a lot. Wish I wore 3 rubbers, cake the first rubber pop, but you can't cry now, milk already spilled. I had 11 friends and 10 already killed. One down south and they ain't feel the guilt. They ain't ready to war, but they ain't the way built. And for all the nights and all the fights that I have for all this money over all these dice, all my cars and homes and all my ice. If I could do it all again, I'd do it all for Christ. Whoever thought the limelight of the superstardom, whoever thought it'd be a problem coming through Harlem, can't even chill. Cats wanna make me a villain. Cats